ito na nilang prize. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, can we give a thunderous applause to Puro Uno? Okay, grabe ang ilang energy because ang ilang kapalit niya ito are the huge prizes that we will